Okay.
Namaste children. I am Ashwati Karthik. I am from Saraswati Vidyaniketan, Airapuram. I am taking the social science subject for Standard 7. What's the speciality of June 5? Yes children, we celebrate June 5th as our Environmental Day. Why do we celebrate that day? To give awareness to the people. For what? To give awareness to people about the protection of our environment. Because nowadays, the human beings are destroying the environment. So, in your geography text, our first chapter deals with environment. Let's start our chapter, environment. Okay children, environment is the basic life support system of ours. Environment is our basic life support system. It provides the air we breathe, the water we drink, the food we eat, and the land where we live. It's the basic life support system. But nowadays, I told you that human beings are destroying our environment. Examples are the car fumes polluting the air. We are collecting water in port or in plastic bottles like this. We are serving food like these types of plates, and also we are using land to build factories. Thus human beings are modifying the environment. So let's start our class. Environment. Environment is the combination of both natural and human-made phenomena. It's the combination of natural and human-made phenomena. Natural environment includes both biotic and abiotic conditions. Natural environment includes both biotic and abiotic conditions, and natural environment includes biotic and abiotic conditions. Natural environment includes both biotic and abiotic conditions. Biotic conditions are the living organisms. It includes the living organisms like plants and animals. Examples are plants and animals. Biotic conditions are those which include living organisms. Examples are plants and animals. Then abiotic conditions are the non-living elements. Example, land, water. These are non-living elements. Example, land, water, etc. Okay, biotic conditions are living organisms like plants and animals. Abiotic conditions are non-living elements like land and water. Okay children, and I told you The natural environment is a combination of natural and human-made phenomena. Natural and human-made phenomena, and this human-made phenomena include the creation, interactions and activities of humans. The human-made phenomena includes the activities, interactions and creations of humans. Human-made environment, which includes the activities, creations and interactions of humans. So, the environment is a combination of both natural and human-made phenomena. Natural environment includes biotic and abiotic conditions. Biotic conditions, which are the living organisms like plants and animals, and abiotic conditions includes the non-living elements like land and water. And human-made environment includes the activities, creations and interactions of humans. Okay? I hope you understand. Let's discuss about the natural environment. Let's discuss about the natural environment. Children, what's the spelling of environment? You all made the common mistake. E-N-V-I-R-O-N-M-E-N-T. Okay? Natural environment. Natural environment includes land, water, air, plants and animals. Land, water, air, plants and animals. Land, water, air, plants and animals. You are familiar with the terms lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere and biosphere in your previous classes. That means in 6th standard you studied about lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere and biosphere. Now we are going to make more explanation of this lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere and biosphere. First one, lithosphere. Lithosphere is the solid crust and it is the hard top layer of the earth. Children, what's this? Yes, it's a globe. Okay? In this globe, the model of earth, and this top layer is called lithosphere. Lithosphere is the hard top layer of earth. It is made up of rocks and minerals. Lithosphere is made of rocks and minerals and it's covered with a thin layer of soil. Lithosphere is covered with a thin layer of soil. It's the hard top layer of the earth. It is made up of rocks and minerals and it's covered with a thin layer of soil. It provides us various landforms like plateaus, plains, valleys, mountains, etc. And it also provides us forests, the land for grazing, land for agriculture and human settlements also. It has a huge variety of mineral wealth also. That's called lithosphere. First one is lithosphere. It's the hard top layer of the earth, and it provides us forest, land for agriculture, land for grazing and also the human settlements. The second one is hydrosphere. The second one, hydrosphere. The domain of water is referred to as hydrosphere. The domain of water is referred to as hydrosphere, and it includes various sources of water and different types of water bodies like lake, pond, seas, oceans, etc. It's the domain of water. The domain of water is referred to as hydrosphere, and it includes various sources of water and different types of water bodies like ocean, seas, lakes, etc. And it's very essential for all living organisms. Without water, we can't live. So, it's essential for all living organisms. So, first one is lithosphere and the second one is hydrosphere. Lithosphere is the hard top layer of the earth, and the domain of water is referred to as hydrosphere. And the third one is atmosphere. The third one is atmosphere. Atmosphere is the thin layer of air that covers the earth. The earth is covered with a thin layer of air, and that's called atmosphere. The gravitational force of the earth holds the atmosphere around it. The gravitational force that holds the atmosphere around the earth, and it also protects us from the harmful rays and scorching heat of the sun. It protects us from harmful rays and scorching heat of the sun, and it includes dust, various types of gases and water vapor. And without atmosphere, we cannot live on the earth. The changes in the atmosphere is the one of the reason for changes in our climate also. The changes in the atmosphere is causes our changes in climate. And the last one is biosphere. The plant and animal kingdom together known as biosphere. Plant and animal kingdom together known as biosphere or the living world. The plant and animal kingdom together known as biosphere or the living world. It's a narrow zone of the earth where land, water and air interact with each other to support life. It's the narrow zone where land, water and air interact with each other to support life. So, plant and animal kingdom together form biosphere, and it's a narrow zone where land, water and air is combined together to make our life easier. Okay children, in this class we discussed about natural environment. Natural environment is a combination of biotic and abiotic conditions, Biotic conditions includes living organisms like plants and animals. Abiotic conditions include non-living elements like land, water, etc. And natural environment includes lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere and biosphere. Lithosphere is the uppermost layer of the heart of layer of the earth is called lithosphere. The domain of water is called hydrosphere. The air that surrounded the earth, which is known as atmosphere, and the plant and animal together form biosphere, and in this biosphere the land, air, water is combined to make our life easier. So children, I hope you understand. So your activity is make a short note about this lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere and biosphere. Thank you.